Mama, I always see you whispering something when we step out. What are you saying?
I'm reciting the dua before leaving home, dear. It's a short prayer that asks for Allah's protection and guidance as we step into the world.
What does it mean? Can you tell me?
Of course. The dua is Bismillahi tawakkaltu alallahi la hawla wala quwwata illa billah. It means, in the name of Allah, I place my trust in Allah, and there is no might or power except with Allah.
So, it's like asking Allah for help.
Exactly. When we recite this, we are acknowledging that Allah is in control of everything. No matter how strong, smart, or capable we are, it's Allah's will that truly protects us and makes things happen.
But why do we need a dua every time we leave the house? Isn't it enough to just be careful?
Being careful is important, but the world is full of uncertainties. We don't know what challenges or dangers we might face outside. This dua is like a shield. It's a way of asking Allah to guide us, keep us safe, and help us make the right choices.
So, it's like carrying a safety blanket for my soul.
Exactly, my love. And more than that, it reminds us to rely on Allah in every part of our lives, big or small. It's a moment to pause and say, Ya Allah, I need you with me.
Mama, I think I want to memorize it. Will you help me practice?
Of course, I will. Once you memorize it and say it often, you'll feel a sense of peace and confidence, knowing Allah is with you wherever you go.
I like that. It's like carrying Allah's blessing in my heart every time I leave.
That's exactly the point. Now, let's start practicing together. Bismillahi tawakkaltu alallahi.
Bismillahi tawakkaltu ala Allahi.
La hawla wala quwwata illa billah.
La hawla wala quwwata illa billah.
Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos.